So the car has started and we're going and it's driving on its own. Here's a spot for my water bottle. And I got my backpack. There's all my stuff from the conference. And here, if you put your phone here, it'll charge itself. And you can change. So I have 10 minutes left on my ride, taking me to Luxor from Resort World in Las Vegas. See, there's no one steering, no steering wheels. And the cool thing is, you sit across from each other. So you sit like you're sitting in your living room. And it has these side doors. Here we go. It's the same from both directions. It's completely symmetrical. 10 minutes to our destination. We had a little bit of trouble at the start, but today is the first day for this car. I was sitting on this seat, and you have to press that green button that says start ride. And I pressed it, then I went back to that green button again, pressed it again, and then I just said call this number, ride start error. And then I called them and they called me back through the car. And then I just switched my seat and this side panel worked. So I don't know why it did that. Maybe something's wrong with this panel. This touchscreen is not working as well. But now we're finally on our way. And this self-driving Zoox through Las Vegas. And today is the first day they started public rides to 5 destinations throughout Las Vegas. Before they were just doing a loop around Las Vegas and back to Resort World. So you could experience the Zoox vehicle, but you couldn't really go anywhere in it. But today is the first day you can actually go to 5 different locations and get off there. So I said, oh wow, that is fantastic. I should just go to my next destination. Actually, I was gonna eat dinner here in this area at a restaurant, but since they offered me to take me back to the hotel that I'm staying at, then I took it. Others, when I came here, I didn't know that they started doing this rides in 5 different locations, and I was gonna go to this restaurant here close by to Resort World. So I was planning on just coming right back here and going to that restaurant and then finding some other way to go back. I was thinking about, hey, here's another one. We got 2 of them on the road right next to each other. And then they have these white Hyundai EV9s or EV6s that also run around. But those, the driver was telling one of the attendant was telling me, those are that one right there that went by. They're just to map the streets of Las Vegas, and they're also used in emergency if there's any issue. Then they'll use those to rescue people and take them to where they need to go. But they're not for public use, or they'll be used by employees at times to get to their destination. But these are the vehicles for the general public. And today is the first day that they started offering rides to 5 destinations rather than just bringing you right back to where you started. So not very useful. But as of today, these rides are free. So you don't pay anything for the ride. You just have to have the Zoox app and Amazon account. And you can just log into Zoox through your Amazon account and get just sign up for the ride and wait for your turn. and get into the vehicle. Let's see if that other Zoox that was behind this truck is still following us. Yep, it's right there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. It's in the other lane. So I don't know if we'll get close to it. There it is, way back there. See with that white line on top? That's the Zoox vehicle. I don't think they're going to venture and overtake vehicles today. This is the first day on the road for this, for rides to different destinations. But they've been driving people around for a while, for 5 years here in Las Vegas. And Zoox has been around for 10 years. And today they have 19 of these vehicles in circulation at this time of night. And but that doesn't mean they only have 19 vehicles. They have more vehicles, and they're charging. And when one of these need charging, they go into the garage for charging, and another vehicle comes out that's all fully charged. You can see some of Las Vegas from the doors. So this is a cool car because you can talk to your fellow passengers because they're facing you. They're not facing away from you. And just like sitting in your living room, talking. Yeah. See all this Las Vegas locations. This says 2 minutes left to get to Luxor. Here's King Arthur, I think. That's the King Arthur's palace. There's the monorail. You can get on the monorail and go places. Hell, that other Zoox vehicle, we left it behind somewhere. It got too far behind us. And there's the monorail. Now we're passing by Excalibur. It's going to take a big loop all around Excalibur and then get to Luxor. There's some more casinos. This is Mandalay Bay. That's a beautiful casino. It's got all this marine ambience. They have turtles and dolphins and sharks everywhere. It's beautiful inside. And here's Excalibur.
We're arriving soon. Please collect your phone and other items.
See, it even gives you a reminder that please collect all your items and be ready to disembark. So I'm gonna put my water bottle in my backpack so I don't have to waste their time trying to navigate.
Sorry, we couldn't find a place to stop. We're trying again.
Okay, we're approaching Luxor. There's the Egyptian style pyramid shaped hotel in Las Vegas. It says finding a place to park. Okay.
We've arrived. Please watch for traffic as you leave.
Okay, I guess you would just press this button and it'll open the door. And I can unlock my seat belts and disembark.
Thanks for riding with Zoox.
And they say, thanks for riding with Zoox. I will exit right here. See, Luxor, no parking. Let's see what this vehicle does. I don't know if it's picking up anybody over here, or is it going to just take off? Well, it looks like, I don't know if there's anybody waiting here. Doesn't appear. Maybe they're coming. Oh, there's somebody's here. Yep. They're gonna get in. Well, there, see, they just opened the door with their phones and they got in. And now this car is off to its next location. See, 3 people, they're gonna sit across from each other. How cool is that? They can talk and everything. This is fascinating. Well, this is Ali for Clean Titans with a ride in the Amazon Zoox self-driving cab in Las Vegas. I was lucky that I'm here on the day one. See, now it's getting ready to go. Bye-bye, Zoox. We'll see you next time. I'm going to make a video at daytime tomorrow. This is Ali for Clean Titans signing off. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, ask questions, tell me what else you'd like to see, and share this video with other people. Thank you.